Hello, Rachel. So, ang gagawin natin with the WordPress guest posting is we're going to create an image in Canva and upload it in WordPress. So, what we're going to use with the image, it will be used for the featured image. So, right now, let me just show you how I do it using Canva. So, okay, when I log in to my Canva account, which I pop up in Slack. I give it to you. Just look for the blog post that I'm creating. Let me find it for you. Just give me a moment while I'm looking for it. I think I added in here. No, 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 no. I think this one. Let me rename it as blog featured image so that you can see it easily. There you go. So, right, since I already have a few images right here, all you need to do is move it here. Just have to copy. So you will have a new duplicate copy. So you don't have to do everything again. Okay, so what will be the difference is that when you move this down, you can remove the image at the back and then replace it with the image of Mary. The image of Mary that that I gave you. And then upload it right here in Canva. So, and you can just drag it here. Example, if I'm going to add your image, if you have given me like a blog that we can post right into our work from home. Because diba sabi ko, I'm asking for an inspirational blog, your stories. So if example you have a story already, all you have to do is when we're creating an image is pop this into the screen and then arrange it at the back. So yung text magmo-move forward and then back again. So this uh, overlay will go at the back. Okay, so that's how you're going to create an image like this. But if you're happy, you can actually do uh, something else. Like if you're more happy to see your face a little bigger or smaller. Okay, if example you want this to be like slightly overlay, just let me know so I can do some graphic designing para hindi pangit yung gilid. Okay, but if you can do it para mag-blend siya sa pink, much better. Okay? So, if usually I use blur tool para mawala yung gilid na to. Wala kasi si Canva nun. Maybe you can open up a new document and then blur those part so you can upload it. So, ako, ginagawa ko, I use Photoshop. Pero I don't actually think that you do have some Photoshop. So, ayun nga, tapos ilalagay mo lang siya dyan sa top, itong pinaka-overlay ko na pink. Ito lang siya, pwede mo siyang ma-change ng color. But since I only used this color, kaya pwede rin yung green. Kasi ano din natin yung green. I'm also making it as a branding color. Tas ayan. Pero pink talaga yung preferred ko para sa mga mommies. Tas ayan, papalitan mo lang siya ng text kung ano yung how she did it. This will be the title na gagawin natin. So, mas maganda may template na tayo for the how she did it na blog post. Tapos, yung name nung person, let's use Sacramento. Kasi, pag name, parang mas maganda yung cursive, diba? So, we're also using Sacramento for our branding font. Okay, this will be just a sample, so you can change it later on. Then make it bigger. And then choose any color na magi-stand out dun sa parang hindi naman siya kamukha dun sa diba? Nag-i-stand out tong Montserrat eh. Liitan pa natin siya. I think I will give you, pagka ganitong profile picture, I will give you an image na lang na nagbe-blend. So let me, I can do it in in MS Paint. Para mag-blur siya. Let us do, let's check kung kaya ng Paint. Kaya ba to sa Excel, yung magkaka-blur yung image? What do you think? Ganito na lang. Kunwari yung picture mo. Saan ba yung picture mo na yan? Ito. Kunwari yung picture mo. Pag nilagay mo dito, lagyan mo lang siya ng color pink. Example, ito yung pink. Lagyan mo lang siya ng brush dito sa gilid. Siyempre, malaki yung brush dapat, diba? Paano ba lalakihan yung brush size? Ayan. Lagyan mo lang siya. Oh, ayaw. Ba't ayaw? No brush. Ayaw. Ayaw niya mag-brush. Eek. Text pala siya. Basta, kung meron ka na lang na tools na pwede mong gamitin, yung pinakagilid, lagyan mo siya ng pink. Ito, lagyan mo siya ng pink or kung ano yung branding color mo para maging parang blurry siya dito sa gilid. Look at what I did sa image ko. Ayan, no, nilagyan ko siya ng medyo, parang mga pink-pink dun sa gilid para medyo mag-blend siya. Hindi masyadong pangit tingnan dito sa, ayan, no, hindi siya masyadong pansin. So, yun yung isa sa mga po pwede mong gawin. So, that's it. Tapos, mo na lang, download mo na lang. And there you go. So, that's typically our image. So, maybe we can put some, natin. Ayan, logo. Ayan. Diba? So, ayan. Ikaw nang bahala kung magaling ka naman sa ganyan eh. Pero kung siguro yung image medyo maliit, tapos pwede natin siyang i-full screen. Ayan. Para hindi masyadong, kunwari maliit lang yung image mo ha, hindi ganyan kalaki. So, ayan, pwede mo siyang iganyan. Wow, ang ganda naman talaga ni Rachel. Ayan, ganyan, o diba? Bongga. Pwede mo siyang igitna. Pero wag naman natin takpan yung mata mo. Ang ganda-ganda ng mata mo. Ayan. So, ganyan na lang din sa gilid. Basta makikita yung niya. Makikita na maganda yung name niya. Diba? So, that's it. I hope that I teach you good sa Canva. Right? Then, let's go to the WordPress after this. Okay, bye-bye.